If you're looking for tire repair kits for bikes, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller by Weldtite. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2. Another great product by Weldtite. Number 3. By Slime. For more info and great tire repair kits for bikes, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Park Tool. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.